So here we are with the previous reverse polarity in the 1990s Rotel 220, which then had presented itself with low transmit with a fault which was probably there right from the day it was made. Let's see whether Mr Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Go 21, go ahead.
Roger diddly dodger. I'm recording.
Roger that. Alright, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
And let me guess, they've gone home.
Correct.
We're going to go over to extension speaker. Just so you can hear how it sounds like that.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Now we'll go from extension speaker back to internal speaker, ready for scratchy corner.
Go 21 to Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going around scratchy corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Rotel RVC220 from 1981 and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that.
Good.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing. And that puts him at the 3 mile point. Remember, this is a comparison test.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. And that's the 4 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
And that's the 5 mile point. That's our worst one. It's in an extra bit of a dip with trees around it. Roger got you going over raw speed level crossing, and is the petrol station still open over?
Yeah, roger that. 164.9 and 182.9, I believe.
Roger, 64.9, 82.9. That's excellent. 1010 then.
Yep, roger that. 10.
Okay, so we'll go over to our Midland. We'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ. This will be the last time we go over to the Harrier CBHQ. As I say, we'll be subsequently using a Midland 76900, which is on the shelf up there, and we'll see how this goes. There's no performance difference. They're both the same innards, and of course this is the same innards as well. It's another Cybernet 134. Your Harrier CB, Harrier CBX, Harrier CBHQ, they're all Cybernet 134s, and so is the Midland 76900.
Tango 21 testing the Rotel RVC220 into our Harris CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.